Cell Labs unveils innovative USB Lightning cable for iPhone and Apple devices. Available via Amazon.com, this state-of-the-art USB Lightning cable provides the solution to overpriced, low-quality mobile device cables. It's not uncommon for iPhone and other mobile phone owners to face the seemingly perennial problem of cheap USB cables that fall apart or are ill-fitting to a phone case or pouch. It can be equally frustrating for mobile phone users to realize they have bought cables that are defective or easily broken and damaged. Cell Labs, a leading company that specializes in high-quality devices for cell phones and tablets, introduces its Apple Lightning to USB cable. Compatible with iPhone 5, 5C, 5S, iPad Air, iPad Mini, iPod Nano 7th generation, iPod Touch 5th generation, this cable is 25% thicker than other Apple Lightning cables, ensuring durability and lasting use. Even so, it is lightweight and easily coiled, making it ideal for users on the go. Buy now through this URL at Amazon.com. Measuring 3 feet long, this portable Apple Lightning to USB cable can be used to charge your iPhone or Apple mobile device, as well as sync data via the compact 8-pin connector on the Lightning end. It is guaranteed to work with iOS 7 and iOS 8, and it fits almost all aftermarket cases and accessories. This cable wire fits perfectly with top-selling cases from OtterBox, Belkin, and Apple. Standing by its promise of better performance, Cell Labs backs each purchase with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year no-hassle warranty. Cell Labs is a leading manufacturer offering smart solutions for mobile devices, tablets, and other portable technologies. The Apple Lightning to USB cable is the company's newly launched product, now available via Amazon. For more information and to buy this durable Apple Lightning to USB cable from Cell Labs, check out www.amazon.com/cell-labs-lightning-generation-generation/DP/BOOM2CE848. Thank you.